Napatanong ka na rin ba, Lord, ano ba talaga ang purpose ko? Because honestly, hindi ko alam. Lately, I feel like I've been talking to God with tears than with words. Ang dami kong tanong. Why give me hope and then take it away? Why let me dream of that thing and then wake me up in pain? Bakit mo hinayaang pagdaanan ko ang lahat ng sakit? If you're asking the same thing, I want to be honest. I don't know all the answers. I still cry. I still question Him. My faith, hindi siya naging matatag. It's full of doubt, frustrations, and silence. Yung patuloy kang naniniwala even when you feel broken, confused, and abandoned. Pero alam mo, sa lahat ng confusion and heartbreak, I am learning. Purpose is not about being perfect. It's about being present even in the pain. Yung pagtanggap mo na hindi mo kaya maging okay araw-araw, it's okay. If you're doubting your worth, if you feel lost, like falling behind in life, please hear this. May purpose ka. Hindi pa tapos ang kwento mo. You are here, you are loved, and your purpose is still unfolding. Sabi nga, God made you for a reason. He planned it all for His purpose.